Motika with AIM Transportation Solutions. This year, we are celebrating Women's History Month by sitting down with some of the women of AIM to talk to them about what it's like to be a female working in the transportation industry, an industry that has historically been male dominated. I'm very excited about this project as a way to display the ways in which AIM focuses on inclusion, diversity, and promoting within. Without the contributions of the women being interviewed in this series, we wouldn't be the company we are today. These are the ladies that are paving the way for the future of transportation. Today, I'm here with Trisha Mossor, AIM's Business Development Representative, to talk a little bit about her contribution to the success of females in the transportation industry. Hi, Trish. How are you?
Hi, Kelly. I'm great. How are you?
Very good. Thank you. Let's just get this started. How long have you worked with AIM, and how about the transportation industry as a whole?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you for that introduction. That was amazing. We work alongside some amazing females here for sure. I've been with AIM just 10 months today, actually. So we're going on a year here in May. And in the transportation industry, I'm going on 10 years.
Well, congratulations on your anniversary.
Thank you. Yeah, it's one I'm very excited about for sure.
Awesome. So exactly what position do you hold in the company right now?
Yeah, so I'm the business development manager at our corporate headquarters in Girard. You could call it partnership creator. If you know me on LinkedIn, I'm your truck lady. Depends on the day what title I have and who's calling me it.
So have you found it very challenging to work within an industry that is only 15% female?
Kelly, I found it more challenging early on. But it's just like anything that you do, right? Any career path that you choose, you have to kind of prove yourself. You have to work your way up and work hard. And that's what I've done. And lately, it has not been an issue whatsoever.
How have you been able to excel in this environment?
Yeah, so there's 5 things, Kelly, that I would really like to hone in on this. And they're focus what I'm good at and what my company excels at. We're vested in the community, and we're really big on having a local presence and a local feel while being a nationwide company, right? That's really important to us. And then volunteering within the community too. And then I never turn down an opportunity internally. So anytime there's an opportunity for me to advance my career or help someone else advance their career, let's go, I'm all over it. Working hard, right? I grew up around trucks, tractors, and hardworking family members, so it's just kind of ingrained in me. And every time I've seen somebody work hard, good things have happened. So that's what's got me here a lot. And then ask a lot of questions. I know this annoys some people, but I don't care. It's my career, it's my life to take control of. So I think that that's something that I do really well, is try to learn as much as I can. Partnerships have been a really, really big deal for me, right? Anybody who knows me knows that I always say, I get to choose who I do business with too. So I want to make sure it's the right fit for both of us. And then, looking for opportunities within the company itself, right? So ways that we can help clients within AIM, even if it doesn't directly benefit you. So just kind of looking out for other people within the company as well. And then take ownership, right? So this is something that not a lot of people do well, is if you make a mistake, own it and move on. It's not the end of the world. So these 5 things have been things that have been integral to my success. And I know will be integral to my future success. So those are just some things I definitely wanted to share.
What's your favorite part of your job?
Learning about the different industries and helping to figure out how our solutions fit into the client's puzzle, right? Most of my clients have a a challenge with their transportation, and that's why they're calling, or that's why I'm calling them, right? Because I can foresee something that might be challenging in the future. So just kind of figuring out how we as a company fit into their puzzle, right? So the strategic portion of it, by far my favorite part of the job, but also helping other people, helping other females, but helping other people in general live up to their potential. I think I have a good opportunity to do that being here at the headquarters and being able to see so many different people. So just helping people, expand their horizons and expand their opportunities really fulfills me.
So what do you like about working for AIM?
The family atmosphere, hands down. I mean, from day one, I walked in here and I met the owners, and it just feels like family. Like, some of these people, I swear I would know I've known them 10 years and not 10 months. It's so welcoming here, just the atmosphere. And that they're open to new ideas, right? That we're on a growth trajectory, and I'm excited to be a part of that. Just to be quite frank, like, I know that I have things that I can give to the company and experience that I can lend to other people to continue on that growth trajectory. So just the fact that they're open to new ideas, open to growth, and that's what we're looking to do is really exciting for me.
So what advice would you give other women considering a career in the transportation industry?
Just do it. That's my advice always, right? Like, if anybody ever came to me and said, hey, I'm scared to do this cold call, I'm scared to take this promotion, I'm scared to switch careers, just do it, right? Like, don't think about it, just jump head first. And if it doesn't work out, at least you tried, right? And if somebody tells you no, I mean, that's literally the worst thing that could happen, is somebody tells you no. You know what I mean? So you're no worse off than you were before. Just do it. Some of the females before it alluded to, don't be scared. Don't be scared to take the risk. And I agree wholeheartedly. Just do it.
That's definitely some great advice right there.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Trish, for being here today. I really hope you continue to flourish in your career here at AIM and just within the transportation industry altogether. And I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too, Kelly.